How to change your name in Monster Legends. So put in mind that if you've already done this, then there's almost nothing you can do since it's somewhat a one-time thing. If you could go ahead and try talking to customer support, maybe they could change your name for some reason. But mainly to be able to change your name in Monster Legends, just go ahead into the settings. The settings is found in the top right corner of your game, which should look like the cogs right there. You'll be able to see your name already that you've chosen beforehand. You can customize, but the button you want to press is the pencil button, which should be right beside general or right beside your name somewhat. So just go ahead and press that pencil over here. So it's gonna give you a warning. Here's where you can change your profile name, but be careful since you won't be able to change it. So just go ahead and put in the name you want. In our case, I'm just gonna say this and press an OK. As you can see, we've changed our name, but we can no longer change it. But that is one of the ways you can change your name in Monster Legends. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.